Saksisi ba nang ijarang may wala nang iluoy po. Sige giring ding post.
Come to Dubai, Habibi.
Ito na po to.
That's the government building. This one, the other one is the ADNOC, oil and gas. This one, this is the Etihad Towers. Remember the Fast and Furious 7 movie? Nga din siya gi-shooting. Yung niambak ang mga sakyanan nga lagandagan kuno si baba wag yun sa tula pag-trick. Nilupad siya, nilusot sa isa kay pila man na siya ka towers. And then the closer one is the Emirates Palace, where you can find a lot of golds inside. Golds in ceiling, golds in design, mga cornice niya ay gold. Then you can enter without entrance. The second one, they built another white palace house for the presidential.